The leadership of the Inter-Secondary Schools Sports Association ISSA says improved security at CHAMS has led to a major reduction in the number of vehicles reported stolen this year. The response comes after a coach's car was stolen last week on day 2 of the event. More in this report.
It's been a week to the day since Clarendon College track and field coach Davian Shantiloup's vehicle was stolen at CHAMS. And while he desperately wants his vehicle back, he also does not want another person to experience the feeling. It is why he wants the organizers of the event to improve their security arrangements. He said he was not pleased with the setup at CHAMS.
For one, you go and come as you like. There wasn't any proper check to see who is coming out and who is coming in. That thought came to me a couple times when I was entering the facility and coming out.
We put the issue to the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association ISSA President Keith Wellington. Mr. Wellington said he has taken note of the incident involving the coach.
We are really sorry for the loss suffered by Coach Shantiloup from Clarendon College. We are concerned that there seems to be a network of persons who target patrons coming into the National Stadium for various events to either steal their vehicles or break into those vehicles. There have been numerous incidents over the last few years as it relates to patrons attending various events at the stadium.
The ISSA chief also explained that security arrangements are prioritized at the event, working with private and state personnel.
We have done a lot in terms of organizing the security personnel as well as police to cover the perimeters of the stadium whenever we are having champs. Unfortunately, we are not able to cover every single aspect of the stadium. It's an unfortunate situation that we will continue to look at remedies that we can apply to minimize the theft. This year, we have only one reported case of anyone losing their vehicle, and while we are not happy that one person lost their vehicle, we are encouraged that we are getting to the point where we are minimizing those thefts.
The track and field coach says his livelihood has been negatively impacted since the loss. He's now trying to have the unit replaced. In addition to a GoFundMe account, he's also encouraging persons who wish to assist to contact him at 1-876-277-6660 or send cash donations to his NCB Maypen savings account 574-180-961. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.